what's really going on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. We're back on Cardano ADA price action, experiencing some very aggressive up and down here as we experience sideways, interacting with overhead sell pressure, trying to find support. Price action experiencing buy pressure as we plow into and through this $2.18 resistance level, interacting with highs near the $2.38 kind of level there. $2.37 was the high of this sort of November 9th daily candle, where price action reached through the $2.18 resistance, weakening it perhaps on that same daily candle. We also have the buy 4 coming into play, indicated by these green candles here, in addition to the buy 2 coming into play as well. 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors are bullish on Cardano, all of a sudden suggesting a bullish area of accumulation may be upon us here. And so in my personal opinion, while EngineeringRobo is suggesting you can start accumulating near current levels, me personally, technically, we are a little too close to overhead sell pressure to be comfortably accumulating, in my opinion. However, EngineeringRobo is bullish on price action. I personally would like to see a break and confirmation of $2.18 as support. Once daily candles have found their way above that key level, opening and closing above it would confirm it as a bullish area of accumulation, and then I could be comfortably accumulating at that level once it's confirmed as support. At the moment, I do believe we are still looking for continued support off of perhaps $1.92. At the moment, the 0.618 Fibba rigatoni level has been coming in as a very bullish area of support here for us. Buy pressure present just down below. We're looking for continued support off of it. We also have this 200 daily moving average as well, suggesting an uptrend overall. We're looking for further interaction with it perhaps, and failure to hold these levels will bring us all the way down to the strongest area of technical support waiting for us, all the way down at $1.57 per Cardano. And so that's really what's going on with Cardano currently. We're waiting for a break of overhead resistance. My immediate short-term target for Cardano is $2.84. That is going to be my next target of resistance waiting for us overhead. Once we've solidified, support at, local resistance overhead. So at the moment, I just think we're too close to resistance to be comfortably accumulating. I would like to see price action, above $2.18, confirming that level as support. So we're watching out for continued buy pressure below. As I said, EngineeringRobo is suggesting a bullish area of accumulation near current levels here. If you look at our previous buy signals, bullish area of accumulation presented itself at the sort of end of July here. After accumulation, we experienced up to 140% in gains over the following 37 days on Cardano, easily well over doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy signals. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, you were still able to capitalize on 85% ROI with EngineeringRobo's sell signals. And as you can see, after these sell signals came into play, we did experience up to 23.5% downside after EngineeringRobo became bearish. We experienced up to 23% in downside here before presenting a bullish area of accumulation here for us, which may be near current levels suggested by some very bullish robo advisors at the moment. So EngineeringRobo very bullish on price action. We do seem to still be in an uptrend at the moment. I would just like to get out of this very tight range of sort of sideways here, looking for a break of resistance overhead, $2.18, waiting for confirmation of as support. We're also looking for continued buy pressure down below here off of this $1.92 level, the 200 daily moving average, or price action making its way all the way down to $1.57 support level. So at the moment, I do believe price action just a tad too close to resistance. Once we've made some of these technical confirmations, we can begin comfortably accumulating. However, as I keep mentioning, EngineeringRobo is currently bullish on Cardano at the moment, so anticipate continued upside once support has been found. And EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so, you pick 3 of the many different robo advisors available. Once 2 of your chosen 3 give you a buy or sell suggestion, you can use it as a confirmation of accumulation or take profit. And so right now, we are looking at 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish on price action. I just think we're a little too close to resistance for me to be comfortably accumulating currently. Let me know down below what you're doing with Cardano, if you think price action is headed upward or we're heading straight to zero. Now, this is a quick look at Dogecoin price action currently interacting with resistance overhead. I suspect sell pressure at technical key level here, 27 cents per Dogecoin. We're looking for daily candles opening and closing above it to confirm it as support and a potential bullish area of accumulation. Once we are free from this 20 cent level here, I do believe my immediate short-term target for Doge is going to be 37 cents. That is going to be the next key area of resistance, waiting to give us a hard time as we make our way upward here. We do have support waiting for us all the way down at 20 cents per Dogecoin if we were to make our way downward here. So at the moment, I do believe we are, experiencing buy pressure suggested by some Robo, buy signals coming into play throughout the beginning of October here. We have a buy for moon and bull signal suggesting a bullish area of accumulation ever since the beginning of October, with anticipated continued upside here. Currently, price action below this 200 daily moving average does suggest, overhead sell pressure keeping us quite sideways here. But I do believe we are approaching support, and we will likely begin the uptrend once further technical confirmations have been met. So at the moment, trapped in a bit of sideways, a little too close to resistance in my opinion. We are supported by buy signals, so we can get bullish on continued upside. I would just like further confirmation of these key levels here. So I want 27 cents to become support. Watching out for 37 cents once support has been found, and continued downside could bring us all the way down to 20 cents per Dogecoin. So let me know down below where you think price action will go. What are you doing with Doge at current levels? We're taking a look at XVS against USDT. Price action currently interacting with a technical area of support. In my opinion, we're looking for continued buy pressure off of $25.07 per XVS coin. We're looking for continued buy pressure off of this level. At the moment, this is looking like support, suggesting a bullish area of accumulation in my opinion. However, failure to hold this level may take us all the way down to $19.86 per this coin if we were to fail to hold current support. However, we are looking bullish on this 25-cent level here. Once support has been confirmed, my immediate short-term target for this coin is going to be $37.88. That is going to be the next key resistance level waiting for us overhead. At the moment, price action technically interacting with support. However, we are under the influence of 3 robo advisors, technically bearish on price action since the 10th of November here, suggesting the most bullish area of accumulation will return. We also have this 200 daily moving average overhead suggesting, sell pressure, giving price action a hard time, keeping it sideways here. So we are waiting for the final, confirmations of support here before the uptrend can continue. I do believe we are interacting with buy pressure and nearing support before the uptrend can return, and so we're looking for further confirmations of these key levels here. Right now, support is looking like this $25 key level, waiting for resistance overhead at $37. I'm watching out for some robo advisors to become bullish again. So as you can see, all 3 of our chosen robo advisors became bullish throughout the beginning of October here. Throughout the first week of October, we have all 3 of our robo advisors becoming bullish. However, ever since the sort of end of October throughout the beginning of November here, these sell signals have returned, suggesting that the consolidation and accumulation phase may just be a little more prolonged here. So at the moment, I do believe we are technically interacting with support, so we're watching out for further buy pressure coming off of $25. As I mentioned, failure to hold it could bring us all the way down to $19.86 as a potential area of support. Watching out for bullish robo advisors to come back into play. Let me know what you're doing with this coin at current levels down in the comment section. Let me know a coin you'd like to see in the next video. Now, MBL against USDT, movie block coin, price action in this phase of sideways here as we establish the uptrend. Price action currently supported by buy signals as we interact with technical areas of support. We're looking for continued buy pressure off of this potential area of accumulation. 0.009404 is going to be the key level of support here. We are waiting for further buy pressure off of prices supported by robo buy signals. We do have the buy 2 supporting price action since the 3rd of November, and the buy 4 has been bullish on price action since the 5th of October here. 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors are still supporting continued upside. We're just waiting for this moon signal to return to become even more bullish on continued upside. Price action currently above this 200 daily moving average, perhaps waiting for a significant interaction with the top of it to further confirm this uptrend coming into play. I do believe we can be bullish on continued upside based on these current factors. Price action above this 200 daily moving average does suggest an uptrend forming. Price action action coming off of support suggests a bullish area of accumulation, and we are currently supported by buy signals. So these are several factors suggesting continued upside. And so if you buy at my support line here, if this support level is continued to be established, I do believe the resistance waiting for us overhead is going to be within the 1 cent range. 0.017505 is going to be the next key level of resistance I'm waiting for once support has been found. So I do believe we are bullish on continued upside for this coin. We're just waiting for continued confirmations of these key levels. We're watching out for this 0.010400 level, currently the 0.236 Fibonacci Illuminati line, giving us a hard time overhead at the moment. However, my target is still going to be up into that 1 cent range there, as I previously mentioned. So let me know down below where you think this coin will go. What are you doing with it at current levels? Now, Ethereum against Tether, price action extremely tremendously bullish in my opinion. We have prices now looking for continued support and interaction with this brand new suggested key level here. $4,607 per Ethereum is looking like a new potential area of support if we were to make any sort of move downward here. Throughout these these kind of past few weeks, all throughout October, I've been providing the most bullish areas that would appear to be accumulating Ethereum. So far, my support lines have been some of the most bullish areas to be buying Ethereum recently. At the moment, we're looking at probably some of the last bullish areas to be buying Ethereum before we experience some very euphoric upside. Any sort of sideways or downside that we do experience in the immediate short term is very bullish for the overall uptrend currently in play. I still anticipate a $6,000 something Ethereum before any sort of long-term downside is to be expected. Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently looking for support. Price action coming back down to my previously indicated resistance level, now confirming it as potential support. $64,900 per Bitcoin is going to be the key level we want daily candles opening and closing above to confirm as support. This seems to be perhaps the last level of support that Bitcoin needs to confirm before we are free to set some very euphoric gains here. I still anticipate a 6-figure Bitcoin. So far, if you've been following my daily updates on Bitcoin, you've seen what appears to be still the most bullish area of accumulation for Bitcoin. $58,800 has been the most bullish area to buy Bitcoin recently, with this interaction with it on the 27th and 28th of October. So far, price action experiencing tremendous buy pressure all throughout the 60K range. We are now looking to confirm this final area of support. Let me know down below if you're bullish or bearish on Bitcoin currently. Let me know where you think price action is headed to. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with a link in the description. Let me know a coin in the comment section you'd like to see in the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and tune in for the next one.